Rule 5. Multiply with persuasive email sequences. How to nurture leads and turn them into loyal customers using automation. In Rule 4, you built a landing page designed for action, not distraction. We dissected every key part: the headline, subheadline, CTA, bullet points, visuals, testimonials, and urgency triggers. You learned that your landing page isn't a home page, it's a focused conversion tool with a single job: to move one person with one problem to one action. The power came from clarity, direction, and trust building. Now that your page is converting visitors into leads, it's time to nurture those leads into paying customers. Getting the lead is just the beginning. The real magic happens in what you do next. Welcome to Rule 5, where we ignite your follow-up and turn interest into income through persuasive email sequences. Most businesses collect leads and leave them to rot. They either ghost their list or spam it to death. Either way, they miss the window of trust, the golden moment right after someone says, "I'm curious." The truth is, people rarely buy on the first click. That's not failure. That's human nature. Which is why your email sequence is not optional. It's essential. This rule is about creating an automated system that educates, nurtures, and sells without sounding like a robot. You'll learn how to build emails that feel human, offer real value, and guide your prospect from maybe to yes without pressure. Section 1. Understand the psychology of the lead journey. Think of your lead like someone you just met at a networking event. They gave you their card, that's interest, but you wouldn't ask them to marry you in the next sentence. You'd follow up, build trust, share stories, show your expertise, and slowly move them toward commitment. That's exactly what a persuasive email sequence does. It starts a relationship on autopilot. Section 2. Anatomy of a persuasive email sequence. Here's the framework. The welcome email sent immediately. Thank them for opting in. Deliver the lead magnet. Reintroduce who you are set. Expectations for what's coming next. Friendly, warm, trustworthy too. The story. Please. Value email. Day 2. Tell a short, relatable story, ideally from your life or a client's. Teach a lesson or insight tied to their pain point. Offer a mindset shift, not a pitch tone. Personal, engaging, insightful.
The authority email, Day 3. Share a win, result, case study, or data that proves your method works. Drop some credentials, but in a humble way. Introduce the offer gently as a solution tone. Confident, professional.
Grounded 4. The value plus CTA email, Day 4. Deliver another tip, framework, or insight. Then bridge to your offer directly. Use a clear call to action. Book a call, buy now, etc. Tone. Helpful, directive, clear. 5. The objection crusher, Day 5. Address common doubts, e.g., what if I fail? The I don't have time money. Use testimonials, examples, or logic to reframe, re-extend the offer tone. Empathetic, reassuring, persuasive. The urgency email, Day 6. Add a deadline, limited seat, or bonus expiring. Remind them what's at stake if they don't act. Push the CTA with clarity tone. Bold, urgent. On a 7. The final nudge, Day 7. Reiterate the transformation they want, show that the window is closing. End with a confident CTA tone. Final, empowering, focused. Section 3. Automation tools and segmentation. Use tools like ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, or MailerLite. Segment your list by interest. Don't send the same offer to everyone. Tailor messages based on actions, clicked, opened, didn't engage, etc. This increases relevance, which increases revenue. Real-life example. Meet David, a financial coach helping millennials get out of debt. He had a free lead magnet, the 5-step budget blueprint. His landing page converted well. But after that, silence, no emails, no follow-up, no sales. So he built a 7-day email sequence using the framework above. He told his own story, how he paid off $32,000 of debt in 2 years. He shared tips like the debt snowball method and his favorite budget app. He then introduced his low-ticket course, Debt-Free Starter Pack, at $47 within 30 days. He made $4,200 from email alone, from leads he already had. What changed? The sequence, the C, value, the trust, the emotional journey. That's the fire. Quote, Breakdown original from Sabri Subi. Most businesses get the lead, then go silent, and silence is the death of conversion. Rewritten for your voice. Your follow-up is your fortune. No follow-up, no fire. Let's unpack this. Too many entrepreneurs celebrate the lead and neglect the relationship. But your lead is not a win. It's an open door. Your follow-up is where trust is built, where objections are dissolved, where emotional connection forms. Your emails don't need to be fancy. They need to be human, helpful, and consistent. Sales are not made in the inbox. They're made in the belief you build inside that inbox. Let's wrap Rule 5 with key takeaways. People don't buy immediately, so nurture them with purpose. Your email sequence is the relationship builder behind your revenue. Use a 7-day sequence that moves from trust to value to offer storytelling converts more than selling. Objection-crushing emails increase belief automation and segmentation multiply results without extra effort. The sequence is not pressure, it's progression. Done right, email doesn't just sell, it scales. Reflection. Questions. Do you currently have a welcome sequence? If not, what's stopping you? Are your emails focused on the reader's pain and transformation, or just on your product? 3. How can you incorporate more personal stories or client wins into your follow-up, York? Are you sending follow-ups consistently, or just when you feel like it? What would change in your revenue if every lead was nurtured? For 7 days with value. Think about these deeply. Your list is an asset, but only if it's activated. You've built the landing page. Now you've lit the follow-up sequence. Rule 5 shows you the difference between businesses that collect leads and those that close them. Automation doesn't mean impersonal. When done right, it creates the most scalable intimacy in your business. In Rule 6, we turn up the heat. You'll learn how to drive traffic to your funnel using paid ads that bring in qualified leads every day, predictably and profitably. You've got the system. Now it's time to pour on the fuel. See? You in the next rule.